All right, folks, welcome. Welcome to week 2 of our series. This one is how to save your first $1,000 in 90 days, even if you're starting from zero. All right, so $1,000 isn't saved in one shot, and it could be, but to the audience, the target audience, the 15 to 22, saving it in one shot is most likely not going to be the thing. But you can do $83 a week, and then 90 days. Guess what you've got? And so this is part 2 of the Money Mindset Foundation series. Last week we fixed your mindset. This week we're putting it into action. If you missed part 1, you can go watch it after this. And it explains why this works. But we'll catch you up in about 5 seconds. Your mindset determines your results. There you go. All caught up now. Now let's save your first $1,000. Every time you try, life happens. Car repair, your friend's birthday, online shopping. We're about to show you that the system works even if you failed before. So the math is simple. $1,000 divided by 12 weeks equals $83.33 a week. Not $1,000 at once, just $83 in a week per week. You can find $83 in what you already spend. Where to find it? Look at last month's bank statement. Subscriptions, $20 to $50 a month. Eating out, $100 to $300 per month. Impulse purchases, $50 to $150 per month. Daily coffee, that's $5 a day. That's $1,800 per year. You don't need more income necessarily. You need awareness. So here's the pay yourself first strategy. And this is how it's done. This is how you're gonna get $1,000 in 90 days. Most people save what's whatever's left, and there's usually not anything left. But we're gonna flip it. If savings is the first expense. It's not an expense. Savings investing. And we automated $83 per week from checking to your investment account. If you don't see it, you don't spend it. And this is why automation wins, because you won't forget it because it's automatic. And you won't borrow from savings, right? And it becomes invisible. 3 months later, $1,000. So here's a real world example. Maria says she's got $12 in savings, and we say find $80 per week. And she laughs and says, "Huh, I don't have $80. And then we had to track her spending at $65 in coffee and snacks, $45 on Uber Eats, $30 on random Target runs. That's $140 in 1 week. And we cut $80 from that. First week was trash. Week three, she forgot about it. Week 12, she had $1,003.40 saved. She cried. You can do this too. So now you've got the mindset, you've got the $1,000 plan. Next week in part three, finale of the series, we're going to show you the budget method that actually works. No restrictive spreadsheets, no tracking every coffee you buy. Just a simple system that gives you permission to spend and save. And that's next Monday. So we've got the 3 tool starter pack. It's the wealth builder budget template. And that'll show you the 50/20/30 method. And we got the savings goal calculator. So you can plan your $1,000 timeline. And we have the 30-day money challenge tracker. Actually, see where your money goes. Links in the description. And you'll get those tools when you complete. Click the link. All right. So if you found this helpful, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. And we're going to drop another video next Monday. We're building real wealth, not just dreaming about it. See you next week. Peace.